A new neighbor. Emma lived in a quiet apartment building. She liked her home because it was peaceful. Every morning, she watered her plants, made a cup of tea, and read a book before work. One Saturday morning, Emma heard a knock on her door. When she opened it, she saw a young man carrying 2 large boxes. "Hello," he said with a smile. "My name is Daniel. I just moved into the apartment next to yours." Emma smiled back. "Welcome to the building. I'm Emma. If you need any help, just let me know." Daniel thanked her. "Actually, could you tell me where the nearest supermarket is?" "Of course," Emma replied. "Walk straight for 5 minutes, then turn left. You'll see a large supermarket next to a pharmacy." "That sounds easy," Daniel said. "Thank you very much." The next day, Emma met Daniel again. He was carrying several grocery bags. "Did you find everything?" Emma asked. "Yes," Daniel laughed. "But I bought too much food." Emma smiled. "That happens to everyone." A few days later, Daniel knocked on Emma's door again. "I baked some chocolate cookies," he said. "Would you like to have some?" Emma happily accepted the cookies. "They smell wonderful," she said. "I wanted to thank you for helping me," Daniel replied. Emma invited Daniel inside for tea. As they talked, they discovered they had many things in common. They both enjoyed reading mystery books. They both loved cooking and taking walks in the park on weekends. "I've lived here for 3 years," Emma said. "The park nearby is beautiful, especially in the evening. Maybe we can go together sometime," Daniel suggested. "That sounds like a great idea," Emma answered. The following Sunday, they went to the park together. The weather was sunny, and many families were having picnics. Children were playing games, and people were walking their dogs. "This park is lovely," Daniel said. "I'm glad you like it," Emma replied. After their walk, they stopped at a small cafe and drank coffee. "I was worried about moving to a new city," Daniel admitted. "I didn't know anyone here." Emma smiled kindly. "Starting somewhere new can feel difficult," she said. "But sometimes all it takes is one friendly conversation." Daniel nodded. "I'm happy I knocked on your door." "And I'm happy you did," Emma said. From that day on, Emma and Daniel became good friends. They often shared meals, helped each other, and explored new places in the city together. They learned that kindness, even something as simple as saying, "hello," can begin a wonderful friendship. Answer these questions in English. Where did Emma live? Why did Daniel knock on Emma's door the first time? What did Daniel bake? What hobbies did Emma and Daniel share? What lesson did they learn at the end of the story? Read the story once for understanding, then read it again aloud. Repeating it several times helps improve your pronunciation, speaking confidence, and listening comprehension.